Hi, in this video, I will work out an example of a z-test that compares two means. We begin by reading the problem. It states a personal trainer strongly believes that on average, people spend more time working out at the gym than working out at home on a weekly basis. He decides to test his claim and surveys 30 people who work out at the gym and 45 who work out at home. The results are listed below. Test the claim at alpha equal to 0.10. We have the summarized data presented in this chart. We assign mu sub 1 to represent the average time it spent working out at the gym. Mu sub 2 is the average time spent working out at home. The claim is that mu sub 1 is greater than mu sub 2. Since it's greater than, that is an H sub 1 statement. H naught is that the two means are equal. Also, we know that we are given the two sigmas. That means it's a z-test, so we draw the normal distribution. It's greater than, so it's a right-tailed test. We now look up the critical value. It's a one-tailed test because it's right-tailed, 0.10. The key value or critical value is 1.28. The test point formula is this formula here. It's the difference in the sample means minus the difference in the population means divided by the square root of sigma 1 squared over n sub 1 plus sigma 2 squared over n sub 2. Keep in mind that mu sub 1 minus mu sub 2 is 0 because we're testing H naught. We assume that they are equal. We plug our information into the formula and calculate. I will demonstrate how to key that in a calculator. What I typically do is I use parentheses. I type in the difference in the sample means. Divided by the square root. I keep everything in the square root. So we have 1.8 squared divided by 30 plus 2.3 squared divided by 45. And that gives us, when we round to two decimals, 2.32. Now, another way, if you have a TI-84 Plus calculator, of computing the test point is to use the built-in function. We type stat, we go to test, and we want option 3, two sample z-test. Make sure we select stats, and then we type in our information. Let's go back to our chart. Sigma 1 is 1.8. Sigma 2 is 2.3. X bar 1 is 5.8. N1 is 30. X bar 2 is 4.7. N2 is 45. And we want a greater than symbol to select. Finally, we press calculate. And Z is 2.32, which is the value that we computed. Just type it in the formula. 2.32 does fall in the critical region, so we reject H naught. We can then summarize using our table. The claim is H sub 1. We rejected H naught. Therefore, there is enough evidence to support the claim. Thanks for watching this video.